Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I haven't been on here in a while, but I'm going to be starting to put out some more content just through either clips from the live streams that I've been doing on Twitch or just coming out and filming and trying to film a little more with some anticipation of some new exciting things coming out. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about probability trading and kind of what that means for us, right? How we can utilize probabilities in order to get better entries, better exits, and more profit. So I am looking at the Bitcoin to US dollar chart here. I am looking at the 15-minute naked chart with a Vwap. So the blue line is the Vwap, which is the volume weighted average price. I'm going to be using this for figuring out probability levels and discussing that with you. So the Vwap does one good thing for me. This is going to be a quick video. It does one good thing for me, and it helps me figure out if my entry is a high probability or a low probability of success. With any indicator, there is some room for error, so you do have to keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and dive into it. So with the Vwap, what I want to be doing is I want to be doing the opposite of the level it's at. So if the price is above the Vwap, I want to be going short with the anticipation of the price dropping. And if the price is below Vwap, I want to be going long or buying with the anticipation of the price going up, right? Buying down here, right? So right here at this level is a lot higher probability trade than buying with the FOMO right up here, right? Obviously, we can see that in past tense, because this has already happened, that was a correct assumption. This was a wick, and you would have lost money right off the bat. You would be close to getting your money back right now, but you would have had to have waited almost a full day. The Vwap allows us to be able to say, okay, the price is significantly higher than Vwap right now, right? So if the price right here is higher than Vwap significantly, then that means that I should not be longing it. I should be shorting it or looking for a short entry. I should be looking at my different levels, my different support and resistance lines, and figuring out if I should be shorting right there as opposed to going long. Same thing can be said with the current price action happening right now. If you were to long this little mini bull flag right here, right? If you were to long this breakout, you'd be longing above the Vwap, which is a significantly lower probability trade than just waiting for a retest or buying this retest that already happened right here and then just holding it long all the way up. So buying long right here, sure, it has produced gains, but what's to say that it shouldn't have just broken down and gone straight back down to Vwap? That's the probability levels that I'm talking about right there. When you're buying at or around Vwap or below Vwap on a long, your probability of returning to Vwap is higher, just historically. So you can see here that we fall below Vwap, but we go back, we fall below Vwap, we go back, we fall below Vwap, we go back, we go up above Vwap, we come back down. So what's to say the same thing is not going to happen here with Vwap extending out, right? Sure, you might get a little couple point boost, but the probability of you exiting your trade in profit is significantly smaller. So the point of this video is what I'm wanting to get at is be conscientious of where you're buying with relation to Vwap. Don't be going in long on a FOMO with everybody else trying to get in on this when it's just going to reverse right back down. And on the same side, if the price is already down here and it hasn't hit your stop loss yet, it might not be a good idea to sell it right now. Go ahead and check your support and resistance lines because odds are it's going to return back up to Vwap and let you reestablish kind of your thinking and figure out if you actually do need to sell it or not. I hope you have a great rest of the day. I do ask that you like and subscribe this video. If you are interested in learning more about trading, I am coming out with a new advanced trading course. If you have ideas about what trading are, but you're not yet profitable, this is the course for you. That'll be linked down below. The free chat room is also linked down below. And I'm going to be live streaming on Twitch, which I have been consistently doing already, but I am over there most often. So go ahead and follow me on Twitch as well. It's Chartbulls Trading at Twitch. And I can't wait to see you there. Thanks for watching. Also, just to follow up, Price was up here when we started this video. FOMO longs are already getting wrecked. That's just to prove that you don't long super high above VWAP. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and peace.